Hey guys, Steve here at Aquaponics. We're here looking at the setup they have here for both the remineralization and the compost tea brewer at Ouroboros, Ouroboros Farms. And so here they have a nice big blower set up, hooked up, plumb to both their remineralization and over to their two compost tea brewers. He takes some system water, puts it inside of this big IBC tote here. You can see it's mounted up off the ground so that you can put a bucket in front of it. We did a little nozzle there to get it back out. They put the compost tea in there. You can see there's a disc batch growing in there right now. And then, before he uses it, he lets it settle for a little bit. But basically you turn on the blower here and get that nice and aerated. Then you'd add your fish water, some fish waste, any compost, a little bit of beneficial microbes, some molasses, and any of your other mineral additives. So that's the compost tea brewer. And then over here you have the two remineralization tanks. So we'll put the fish waste, which he has right here, the liquid fish waste from the second or third pulls off of the brewer. Oh, try not to do that. Take two. Okay, so he pours that in here, and that's basically loaded with fish waste. And what they'll do is take that and they'll aerate it and aerate it and aerate it and aerate it for different lengths of time. How long are you aerating it now for?
Usually about 2 days. We do it on Monday and turn it off on Wednesday.
Sure. So they do it about 2 or 3 days. They'll do brew it up for, and let all those microbes break down and remineralize everything, and then they'll add a percentage of that back to the system to get maximum use of the minerals inside there. So it helps a lot with recapturing any minerals and maximizing the minerals that are in your system from the fish waste. It just allows you to get a lot more out of your fish waste. So they have this nice dual setup here where they can do compost teas where they amended it all, and then just pure fish waste being broken down. So it's a real nice setup. I just wanted to show you guys. See they have a little bit of stuff to pH adjust it before it goes into the system. And yeah, so I just thought I'd show you guys. This is one of the nicer setups I've seen for remineralization and compost tea brewing. And thanks for joining us. We should hit that subscribe button or check them out. If you want to learn more about Ouroboros Farms, check them out at ouroborosfarms.com. Thanks a lot. Here we are a little bit later. We got all the compost in there, and you see the air blowers blowing, and we have a mix in there. You brew this compost tea for 48 to 72 hours. And you pH adjust it, let it settle for maybe an hour or so before you use it. So, alrighty, thanks for watching.